family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25 Saturday, 5 off of 30 gain. But, well, let me go ahead and finish. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. The 5 off of 25, they snatched it from us because they knew we was getting ready to hurt them today. Not hurt them, but just for us to have stuff, you know? I didn't actually see that they had taken the 5 off of 25 until I got to another store, okay? Because I was going to do 2 transactions. One was going to be a little transaction. And then this one right here, which you're seeing, is my gain transaction. I wasn't going to do another gain transaction. I was only going to do one. And then I was going to just do a regular transaction. But they took it. They took it, y'all. They took it. Now, I did have a paper one, but I didn't have it with me. It's here at home. So I'm thinking about going out again, but I won't be doing a gain. It's just probably going to be a regular one, but I'm thinking, I don't know if I really want to or not, because when I got it, was getting ready to get in line, I was making sure that all my coupons was clipped. I was making sure that my 5 off of 25 was there. Then that's when I noticed that it was gone. I didn't actually notice it at the first store because I didn't look at that for that. I'm thinking it was already there, you know what I'm saying? And I didn't look for that. So all I was looking at is I was making sure that my Crest coupons was there with, the dollar. They was there. Making sure that the store that I went to early in the morning, I was there a little bit after 8 when they opened to make sure that they still had the dollar Crest toothpaste. They did. So from now on, before I leave the house, I will make sure that the 5 off of 25 is there, or I got a paper 5 off of 25. And y'all know I have a love-hate relationship with the paper 5 off of 25 coupons. But I guess I'm going to have to make sure that I have an extra one in my coupon little folder in my car. Okay? So, all the rambling is over. They pulled our 5 off of 25 for today. I don't know what's going on. But let's go ahead and get to this deal that I have. And it's a good deal, okay? So let me show you. All right, so the first thing I'm going to show you is I got the Crest, okay? This store had 10 available, and I said all I needed was 9. I had looked at it yesterday. I got up this morning. It was a little bit after 8. It still said it was 10 that they had available. I shot to the store and hey, I purchased 9. So I had the 6 off of 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then I had a 5 off of 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then I had a 3 off of 2. And I got these 2. Okay? So those did scan for the coupons, and also they came off. And I will show you on my receipt. The next thing is this scope that is in the trial size. It is $1. And the dollar off a digital coupon came off, making it free. Then I went ahead and purchased 2 of these Airwick warmers. They are $2. And I had a $1.50 digital coupon And let me see. On the other one, I thought I had another one. Oh, yeah. The cashier. She was so nice. She had a paper coupon that was expiring today. So she told me, she said, go ahead back there and get you another one. You can use this coupon. So this one is on, one of them is a digital, and then the other one is the paper. And the digital was $1.50 came off, and then the manufacturing one was $1.99, making it only a penny. So I will show you on my receipt where that is, okay? So let's move this over. So let's go ahead and get to the game deal, okay? So went in there in this store. I hadn't been to this store. I went to it last week, okay? And that's where I found the Dollar Crest, okay? So I was like, let me see. The store was stocked. Nice employees, friendly employees. I mean, I can't say no more about these two, okay? They are really nice. Speak, talk, everything. Didn't care if he was a couponer. You see where she gave me a coupon. And even she told me that if I had, over $25, that they let them know, and they always have their coupons. I wish I had of just did everything in that store, but I was a little further away from that store. Okay, let's go ahead and get to this game. Okay, so the first thing is this game. It is the 45 ounce. I think it's 46 ounce. All right, that game for the 45 ounce is, let's see, the Daydream. I'm sorry, y'all. What is that one? $5.50. There is a $1 off digital coupon that did attach. Okay. Then I got the Mr. Clean, because I was trying to, they didn't have the Dawn spray power washes. So I got the Mr. Clean. The Mr. Clean, let's see how much they are. They are $3.25 a piece. And there is a $1 off of 2 digital coupon that did attach. Okay. The next thing was this big Gain, the Allen Fresh, the 65 ounce Gain. It is $7.50. There is a $2 off digital coupon that did attach. The next thing are these 3 spray, and make sure everything, when you say it, it has to have Gain on here, okay? It has to have Gain for it to actually work for the 5 off of 30, okay? And make sure you scan it in the app. These sprays, the Gain sprays are, let's see. Where are they at? $3.25. Yes, $3.25. So I got 3 of them. So I had a $1 off of 1 and $3 off of 2 that came off. And then I needed just something that was $1, but y'all, there was nothing in the $1 aisle for Gain. I was so upset. So I went ahead and got this Gain detergent, the Gain liquid detergent for the dishes, okay? The dishwashing liquid. That's what they call it. I couldn't get it out. The dishwashing liquid, and that's Gain. And that is $2. And there is there's no coupon for that. I'm sorry. There's no coupon for that. So, y'all, after she scanned everything, I put my number in, because this right here is on a new number. It is my number, but I got a new number. And this one right here, y'all, the subtotal was good to me because having a 5 off of 30 and then some overage from the crest, that might as well say that was like my 5 off of 25, okay? Because the overage on the crest put into it. My subtotal was $14.16. So if you can find some overage to put in for your 5 off of 25, then you should be okay. But if not, you're going to pay a little bit more out of pocket, you know. But my subtotal was $14.16. And you know, everybody's taxes is different. So I'm going to show y'all my receipt. So there's the gain right there. There's the receipt. There's my subtotal. Look, $14.16, right? Everybody's taxes is different. Let me show you how much I saved out of pocket. $31.79. Yes, $31.79. I'm going to show y'all something else. There is a 5 off of 25 for Saturday, so we better hold on to this. But what makes it so better? Look what I got. I got my $5 back from P&G. Yes, $5 back from my P&G. I could have used this while I was in the store, but I did not want to, y'all. I was like, did not want to. You know, I was like, no, I'm going to hold on to that for right now, for this week probably. So, y'all, if my 5 off of 25 would have came off, it would have took me down to $9.16. Then, for me getting back that $5 on the receipt, it would have took me down to $4.16. But, you know, it is what it is. Dollar General did not want us to do what they wanted us to do. But that's all right. That's all right. You win some, you lose some. So this right here is my Dollar General haul Saturday. Just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.